Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how crucial it is to handle your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw USDT from your Ledger Nano X to Kraken in 2025. This step-by-step guide will get you through it smoothly, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. Why? Because 2025 brings new security protocols, and you don't want to miss out. Start by connecting your Ledger to your computer via USB and enter your PIN to unlock it. Once you're in, open the Ethereum app on your Ledger since USDT is an ERC20 token. That's the standard for most crypto transfers these days. Next, head over to your Kraken account on your web browser. Log in securely and navigate to the deposit section. You'll need to generate a wallet address for USDT. Click on Deposit for USDT, and Kraken will provide you with a unique address. Double-check that it's for the Ethereum network to avoid any mix-ups. Pro tip: always verify the address by copying it directly and pasting it into a secure note. Don't type it manually to prevent errors. Now, back to your Ledger. In the Ethereum app, select the option to send USDT. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, crypto fees can add up, so check the current gas fees on the Ethereum network first. Paste in the Kraken wallet address you just copied and review the transaction details carefully. This is where security shines. Your Ledger will require you to confirm the transaction on the device itself, adding an extra layer of protection against hacks. Hit confirm on your Ledger, and voila, the transaction is on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Kraken and check your account balance to ensure your USDT has arrived safely. And there you have it, folks. Withdrawing USDT from your Ledger Nano X to Kraken in 2025 is straightforward if you stay vigilant. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Ledger for a reason. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.